Hello Bit2Mers, today we are going to talk about what a ERC20 token is. Let's start. What is an ERC20 token? An ERC20 token is a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain with a pre-established data structure. This structure is designed to facilitate the implementation of various functionalities on this blockchain network, enabling the creative work of developers. As we know, Ethereum was designed to be an entire integrated ecosystem. Therefore, its developers created new mechanisms to facilitate specific tasks. For example, the ability to create new currencies on an existing blockchain. ERC20 tokens were integrated into Ethereum through an EIP, Ethereum Improvement Proposal, and at present, they are one of the most widely used tokens in the entire crypto world. How do they work? The Ethereum blockchain has a programmatic framework where ERC20 tokens are executed. By design, this framework is broad enough to allow different uses without interrupting the operation of the blockchain network. For example, these tokens can carry a sub-accounting parallel to the central Ethereum ledger, having its unit of account. And all this without mixing the ether balances of the addresses. In addition, ERC20 tokens maintain the transparency, traceability, and security provided by the Ethereum network. Thanks to these properties and their enormous flexibility, ERC20 tokens have become a standard for issuing new tokens on the network while ensuring interoperability and compatibility between tokens and encouraging improvements in the Ethereum ecosystem. Why were ERC20 tokens created? Among the many advantages of ERC20 tokens are uniformity in programming. The developer's API is standard and stable, making programming work more accessible and more uncomplicated. It reduces the complexity of programming. Because the API is simple, its implementation reduces the complexity of the software, improving the readability, security, and auditability of written code. Support for multiple programming languages and portability improvements. The token API is free, so it is possible to program using different programming languages. Less complexity in understanding each token type implemented, thanks to the principles of functionality. Thanks to a stable API, there was greater security and reduced risk of breaking contracts. Main features. ERC20 tokens use a particular basic structure, the characteristics of which allow them to exploit their full potential. For example, they have a name or identifier and an associated symbol. These two values make it possible to identify and differentiate tokens from each other within Ethereum. Able to handle essential economic aspects of their issuance. Data such as the decimal accuracy system and total allocation are a fundamental part of an ERC20 token in your data structure. They operate an interface to control and review the balances of the addresses of their owners. These tokens can report the total balance of funds contained in an address. They can handle the transfer system natively since they handle fund transfers. They can autonomously handle partial withdrawals of funds from one address. For example, if John is permitted to withdraw 1,000 ETH from Maria's account, John can withdraw 250 ETH on a first withdrawal, and, in subsequent withdrawals, finish removing the rest of the funds with the set limit of 1,000 ETH. This feature is called approved and depends on provision. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our newest content. If you want to learn more about this subject, visit the article at Bit2Me Academy. You can find the link in the description. Until next time.